Assalamualaikum. This is Musarraf Shah from Pakistan. It is the third assignment, part of International Educator Bootcamp on AI and coding with junior blocks from, from Stempedia. Let's move on to the assignment. Okay, and this assignment is about the game, car race game. I choose a individual based car race. Here is the obviously seen the road, the car, and this is the obstacle, and this is the finish line. If it hits the obstacle, the screen will appear, the game over, and one can restart the game. If it reaches the finish line, the third screen will appear is game finished. Game over and game finished. So, and there are sprites and respective code is seen. Let's execute the I will play it. I started. I am moving the car with the arrow keys. Obstacles are coming, and I am slowly, gradually, and I reach the finish line, and it is finished. If I want to restart it, I can restart it. If I hit the obstacle, this screen appears, which is game over. Thank you.